Hi, I'm Alex.
I'm Rie.
And today we're gonna compete to see who can make the best lunchtime recipe.
In 30 minutes or less.
Who do you think is gonna win?
I think I'm gonna win.
I think you're gonna win too.
Believe in yourself, Alex.
You're right. Well, we've got 30 minutes, so
Yeah.
let's start the timer.
Yes.
Go!
Oh, I'm gonna just walk.
Okay, I think I'm gonna make a pasta salad, but I've also done a lot of cooking challenges, and I know that 30 minutes goes by in a flash.
I'm making avocado toast. I've made avocado toast thousands of times. So I have extra time to make it a little bit more fancy. So there is an old folktale, tortoise and hare, and the tortoise take time, but he wins. So that's my strategy.
Let's organize this a little. You're so neat.
Wow.
What just happened?
This is roll of tuna.
We just got tuned.
Did you know this is gonna
No,
happen?
did you?
No.
Okay, so surprise twist. The real challenge today is that you have to incorporate Bumble Bee Albacore Tuna into your lunchtime recipes.
First, I wasn't sure what I was going to do with the tuna, but then I remembered I'm making pasta salad, and tuna literally goes perfect in pasta salad. So I'm gonna start by boiling my pasta since it's gonna take a while.
So I'm going to start with my jammy eggs because it takes the most time from my recipe.
Okay, now I'm gonna prep some of the ingredients going inside the pasta salad. These are Kalamata olives. And now I have some grape tomatoes that I'm gonna chop up. Doesn't have to be perfect. That's the beauty of pasta salad. You really just kind of toss it all together. Rie, you're real confident over there, taking your sweet time. I'm gonna be making a dilly Dijon vinaigrette for this pasta salad. I love things that are really herby.
I like to use red onion because it's a little bit milder, so it doesn't overpower tuna or avocado. I'm gonna squeeze some lemon so avocado doesn't turn brown.
How do you feel, Rie?
Good.
Oh, that makes one of us. So now I'm just slicing up some shallots for my dilly Dijon dressing. Don't have time to spell right now. I've got some sugar going in for, of course, a little sweetness, a little salt, and some oil. Deep breath.
Deep breath.
I'm good, I'm
Yes.
good. It's just pasta salad.
Yes. Tuna time. I'm going to open this pouch. Oh, it's so easy to open. So albacore tuna is a mild flavor, so it can handle strong ingredients like onions and radish.
So now I'm just gonna put some of our pasta in here. And now hit it with all our fun stuff. Rie, is something burning?
My toast. My toast burned and I'm losing my time. I have to cut my bread, I have to toast again. So I'm a little bit nervous now. It's burning.
Oh no. Okay, now we saved the best for last, the tuna, of course. I need to get this in there because I'm running out of time. Ooh! Look at those big, firm pieces of beautiful white albacore tuna. I wanted the bigger, firmer pieces so that they don't get lost in the pasta salad.
I'm going to add all the vegetable I chopped earlier. Some Greek yogurt, tuna goes in, grated garlic, and salt.
So I'm just gonna mix this together and we're pretty much done. Just the rest of our dressing I'm gonna pop in.
My tuna avocado salad. I'm gonna put a little bit red chili pepper so it's kind of nice kick to it.
3, 2, 1.
Done?
Hi, I'm Tracy Rates. I'm a tasty producer, and today I'm going to judge Alex and Rie's tuna lunchtime recipes. So today I'm going to be judging Alix and Rie on 3 different categories. That is the presentation, which is how it looks, obviously. The craveability, which is if I'm going to crave it, if I'm going to want to eat it again. And then the versatility, which is how creative they were with the way they use the tuna.
I know Tracy so well, and I know what she likes. So I'm confident that she's gonna choose me.
I know her better than Rie does, and I think I've got this one.
Hi,
Hi,
Tracy.
guys.
Welcome.
Thank you. I'm so excited to try everything.
Yes.
Rie, what do you have for me?
I have tuna avocado tatin. I have sourdough toast and avocado albacore tuna salad. And on the topping, I have radish and tomato and jammy egg.
It looks delicious.
Thank you.
Presentation, perfect.
Yay.
I can't wait to dive in. So here I go. I
Yeah.
gotta get the perfect bite with a little bit of everything. Good
job.
crunch. Super, super delicious.
Thank you.
Really good textures overall. I love albacore tuna because it's like mild, so you kind of taste all those herbs and lemony stuff throughout, and it doesn't really overpower it. Versatility-wise, it is still avocado toast, and it's not super portable, but it is super delicious, and I would definitely eat it again. But I'm excited to check out what Alix made.
I have for you a niçoise pasta salad. It's like a play on a niçoise salad. So usually a niçoise salad has potatoes in it, but I'm using pasta for the starch instead. We've got some radish, tomatoes, green beans, a jammy egg, dill, and of course our albacore tuna.
Presentation-wise, you're competing with Rie, who created the most beautiful toast, but I'm excited to dig in. It's really good. I love the dressing. I definitely taste like Dijon. And there's like that little horseradishy in there. Super, super flavorful. And I love that the albacore is so mild, so it takes on the dressing, but still has a delicious flavor itself. So I love this because I feel like I'm always eating on the go, and this is super easy to pack up and take with me.
Yeah.
So it's very versatile. You can also like change up the veggies, change up the dressing a little bit. I've tried both. Delicious, but I mean, this is so beautiful, you know? Like, this was just really pretty. And that's why I'm gonna have to say, Alix is the winner. Alix is the winner!
Yeah!
Congratulations.
I was gonna win.
Tracy faked me out. I thought she was for sure gonna pick Rie's dish. I was stunned when she came back and told me I was the winner. Pleasantly surprised.
When I tasted the niçoise pasta salad, it was really light and fresh and flavorful and just a really mouth-watering, delicious lunch that I am gonna wanna eat again. So that's why it had to be the winner for me.
Throughout this competition, I was confident. I was saying I'm the tortoise of this competition and I was gonna win. But this time, Rie tortoise lost.
Now I'm gonna eat this one.
Yeah,
I'm gonna keep eating this one.